Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Career Prep. Today we'll learn all about simplification and approximation. Simplification and approximation problems are the most frequently asked questions in competitive exams. These questions are the ones where marks can be scored easily if solved carefully and efficiently. So learn this topic well. In this video, we'll solve the simplification and approximation problems in the traditional method so that you can understand the concept of solving such problems. We'll deal with shortcut methods for solving such problems in another video. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notifications as soon as we post a new video. So let's start. So let's understand the meanings of simplification and approximation. Simplification mainly refers to the process of breaking down a lengthy calculation into a much simpler way and solving it. Simplification means reducing the given expression into a simpler form using the various mathematical operations. The order of operations has to be strictly followed as per the BODMAS rule. So simplification just means that you have to reduce the given expression into a simpler form using the various mathematical operations and then solve it. The order of operations has to be followed strictly as per the BODMAS rule. That is, first vinculum has to be solved, next brackets, next order, next division, next multiplication, next addition, and finally subtraction. This order of operation has to be strictly followed. Now, what is approximation? Approximation is simplifying the given mathematical expression to its nearest value. To find the approximate value, round off the numbers in the expression to the nearest value and simplify the expression as per the BODMAS rule. So, in approximation, you have to first round off the numbers in the expression to the nearest value and then simplify the expression as per the BODMAS rule. Now, to find the approximate value, if there are decimal numbers in the expression, convert the decimals in the expression to its nearest value and simplify the expression as per the BODMAS rule. We'll understand the simplification and approximation process by solving a few problems. Here are a few tips and tricks to solve simplification and approximation questions. Questions on simplification and approximation are made to confuse the candidates with long decimal numbers and calculations which may seem complicated, but this topic is one where a candidate can score most without making errors by following a few rules and formulae. There are some basic tips and tricks which may be used to solve simplification and approximation questions. Always solve the simplification and approximation questions following the BODMAS rule. The order of operation in the given expression has to be strictly followed according to the BODMAS rule. Replace of by multiplication sign. Replace slash by division sign. In approximation problems, if numbers are given in a decimal format, use a rounded off value for those decimals for faster calculation. For example, 78.62 can be taken as 78. 32.10 can be rounded off and can be taken as 32, and so on. Learning tables till at least 20 can be of great help in solving the problems in lesser time. Replace every division symbol with multiplication symbol followed by the reciprocal of the number following the division symbol. This simplification trick must be applied to simplify math problems. That is, you have to replace every division symbol with the multiplication symbol and then write the reciprocal of the number following the division symbol. This simplification trick will help to simplify the given expression. Remember these basic important algebraic formulae to solve simplification problems. A plus b the whole square is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. A minus b the whole square is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. A plus b the whole squared plus a minus b the whole squared is equal to 2 multiplied by a squared plus b squared. A plus b the whole squared minus a minus b the whole squared is equal to 4ab. A plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. A plus b the whole cubed is equal to a cubed plus b cubed plus 3ab multiplied by a plus b. A minus b the whole cubed is equal to a cubed minus b cubed minus 3ab multiplied by a minus b. A cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. A cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. A cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c multiplied by a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus ab minus bc minus ca. Please memorize all these algebraic formulae. They'll help you while solving a few simplification problems. While solving simplification or approximation problems, the order of mathematical operation to be followed is very important. Whenever there are more than one mathematical operation in an expression, the order of various operations involved should be strictly maintained for simplifying the expression. So, whenever there are more than one operation in an expression, the order of the various operations involved should be strictly followed according to the BODMAS rule. Remember BODMAS and you'll remember the sequence of operation. Now, what does BODMAS mean? The letters in BODMAS stand for different operations, mathematical operations. Now, V stands for vinculum or bar, that is a line over a number. B stands for bracket and the operation of brackets should be in the order first the round brackets, next the curly brackets and then the square brackets. That is, first you have to solve whatever is given within the round brackets. Then you have to solve whatever is given within the curly brackets and finally solve whatever is given within the square brackets. O stands for order, that is powers, square roots, etc. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. So this order has to be strictly followed. This sequence of mathematical operation according to the BODMAS rule has to be strictly maintained while simplifying the expression either in the simplification problems or in approximation problems. Let's look at the types of simplification. The simplification questions can be asked in two ways: missing numbers and simplifying the equation. Missing numbers. The question may be in an equation form with a blank either in the left hand side or the right hand side of the equation. You need to fill the blank. For example, look at this simplification question. Here there is a question mark or a missing number in the right hand side of the equation. So you have to solve this equation and find the missing number which can replace this question mark. Next type of simplification question is simplifying the equation. The question is an equation and you have to solve it to find the answer. For example, look at this question. This is an equation and you have to solve this question to find the answer. Remember that you have to answer what comes in place of the question mark. That is, you have to find the number that can replace the question mark. Simplify this expression. To simplify this expression, use BODMAS. So first we have to solve whatever is under the vinculum or the bar. So here 6 minus 4 is under the vinculum. So solve that first. 6 minus 4 is 2. Next, solve whatever is given in the brackets. And brackets have to be solved in the order round brackets, curly brackets and square brackets. So first we'll solve whatever is given within the round brackets. Here it is 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. So now 6 minus 5 is within the curly brackets. Solve that. 6 minus 5 is 1. So now 8.5 plus 1 is within the square brackets. Solve that. 8.5 plus 1 is 9.5. So finally you have 25.5 minus 9.5, which is 16. So when you simplify this expression, you get 16 as the answer. What comes in place of the question mark in this expression? 9.6 multiplied by 3.6 plus 7.2 plus 10.8 of 1 by 18 minus 1 by 10 is how much? You have to solve this expression to find the value of the question mark. Now to solve the expression you have to use BODMAS to simplify. The order of operation has to follow the rule of BODMAS. So first change of into multiplication sign. So you'll get 10.8 multiplied by 1 by 8. Next operation is multiplication. So 9.6 multiplied by 3.6 will give you 34.56 and 10.8 multiplied by 1 by 18 will give you 0.6. Next order of operation is addition. So 34.56 plus 7.2 plus 0.6 is 42.36. Now you get 42.36 minus 0.1. When you subtract 0.1 from 42.36, you'll get the value 42.26. So when you simplify this expression, you'll get the answer as 42.26. What comes in place of the question mark in this expression? So first you have to solve this expression to get the answer. First replace all the division symbols with multiplication symbols. Then write the reciprocals of 29, 7 and 21. So you have the expression now as square root of 1827 multiplied by 1 by 29 multiplied by 1 by 7 plus 567 multiplied by 1 by 21. Now 567 multiplied by 1 by 21 is 27. So you'll get square root of 1827 multiplied by 1 by 29 multiplied by 1 by 7 plus 27. Now 1827 divided by 7 is 261 and 261 divided by 29 is 9. So now you get the expression as square root of 9 plus 27. 9 plus 27 is 36. So finally you get square root of 36, which is 6. So when you simplify this expression, you'll get 6 as the answer. What will come in the place of the question mark in the equation 3 by 8 of 168 multiplied by 15 divided by 5 plus question mark is equal to 549 divided by 9 plus 235. Now, to simplify this equation, you have to use BODMAS. The sequence of mathematical operation to be followed while solving this equation has to be strictly according to the BODMAS rule. Now, first write multiplication sign in place of. So this expression becomes 3 by 8 multiplied by 168. Now the first order of operation is that you have to solve whatever is given within the brackets. So 3 by 8 multiplied by 168 is 63. The next order of operation is division. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 549 divided by 9 is 61. So now you have the expression as 63 multiplied by 3 plus question mark is equal to 61 plus 235. The next order of operation is multiplication. 63 multiplied by 3 is 189. The next order of operation is addition. So 61 plus 235 is 296. Now you have the expression 189 plus question mark is equal to 296. Now when you shift 189 to the right hand side, it will become minus 189. So now you have the expression question mark is equal to 296 minus 189. 296 minus 189 is 107. So the value that should come in the place of the question mark is 107. So 107 comes in the place of the question mark in the given equation. What comes in place of the question mark in the equation square root of 1024 multiplied by 40 plus 20 squared plus 0.5% of 9600 plus 469 is equal to question mark raised to the power 3. Now you use BODMAS to simplify. The order of the operation has to be strictly followed according to the BODMAS rule. Now first write multiplication sign in place of. So you have 0.5% multiplied by 9600. The first order of operation is orders. So find the square root of 1024. The square root of 1024 is 32. 20 squared is 400. So now you have the expression 32 multiplied by 40 plus 400 plus 0.5% multiplied by 9600 plus 469 is equal to question mark raised to the power 3. The next order of operation is multiplication. 32 multiplied by 40 is 1280. 0.5% of 9600 is 48. The next order of operation is addition. So 1280 plus 400 plus 48 plus 469 is 2197. Now 2197 is nothing but 13 cubed. So the value of the question mark is 13. So 13 comes in place of the question mark in the given equation. What comes in place of the question mark? 1, 8 by 13 multiplied by 60, 2 by 3 divided by 2 plus 17 is equal to question mark. Use BODMAS to simplify. The order of operation to be followed has to be strictly according to the BODMAS rule. Now, in this expression, first convert these mixed fractions to improper fractions. So 1 8 by 13 becomes 21 by 13. 13 multiplied by 1 plus 8 is 21. So the improper fraction is 21 by 13. Similarly, 3 multiplied by 60 plus 2 is 182. So the improper fraction is 182 by 3. Next, replace the division sign with multiplication sign and write the reciprocal of 2, which is 1 by 2. So now you have the expression as 21 by 13 multiplied by 182 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 2 plus 17 is equal to how much? Now the next order of operation is multiplication. So when you multiply 21 by 13, 182 by 3 and 1 by 2, you will get 7 multiplied by 7. So now you have the expression as 7 multiplied by 7 plus 17 is equal to question mark. 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. 49 plus 17 is 66. 49 plus 17 is 66. So the value of the question mark is 66. So 66 comes in place of the question mark in the given equation. What comes in place of the question mark? 14.5 plus 6.23 the whole squared minus 14.5 minus 6.23 the whole squared divided by 14.5 multiplied by 6.23 is equal to how much? Now, when you look at this expression, you'll notice that the numerator resembles a plus b the whole squared minus a minus b the whole squared. We know that a plus b the whole squared minus a minus b the whole squared is equal to 4ab. So the numerator uh, is 4ab. Here in the question, a is 14.5 and b is 6.23. So now the expression looks like this: 4 multiplied by 14.5 multiplied by 6.23 divided by 14.5 multiplied by 6.23. 14.5 and 14.5 you can cancel, and you can cancel 6.23 and 6.23. So finally you're left with 4. So 4 is the number that comes in place of the question mark in the given equation. If x plus 1 by 2x is equal to 2, find the value of 8x cubed plus 1 by x cubed. Now you know that 8 is nothing but 2 cubed. So to get 2 cubed x cubed, we have to have 2x here instead of x first. So first you have to multiply both the sides by 2. So when you multiply x plus 1 by 2x with 2, you will get 2x plus 2 by 2x is equal to 4. 4 is nothing but 2 multiplied by 2. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled out. So now you have 2x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Now cube both the sides. On cubing both the sides, you get 2x plus 1 by x the whole cubed is equal to 4 cubed. Now 2x plus 1 by x the whole cubed is similar to a plus b the whole cubed. We know that a plus b the whole cubed is equal to a cubed plus b cubed plus 3ab multiplied by a plus b. Here a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 1 by x. So substituting the value of a and b in this expression, we get 8x cubed plus 1 by x cubed plus 3 multiplied by 2x multiplied by 1 by x multiplied by 2x plus 1 by x is equal to 4 cubed, which is 64. Now this x and this x will cancel out. So you are left with 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6. We know that 2x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. We found out the value of 2x plus 1 by x as 4 here. So uh, so 2x plus 1 by 6 is 4. Now you have the expression as 8x cubed plus 1 by x cubed plus 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 64. 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. So now we have to find the value, we are asked to find the value of 8x cubed plus 1 by x cubed. So shift 24 to the right hand side. That will become minus 24. So 64 minus 24 is 40. So the value of 8x cubed plus 1 by x cubed is equal to 40. What comes in place of the question mark? 12% of 555 plus 15% of 666 is equal to how much? Now, among 12% and 15%, we know that 10% is common. So, first find out the value of 10% of 555 plus 666. 555 plus 66 is 1221. So, first find the value of 10% of 1221, which is nothing but 122.10. Now the first part is 12% of 555. Now 12 is nothing but 10 plus 2. We have already found the value of 10%. So now we have to find the value of 2% of 555, which is 11.10. The second part is 15% of 666. Now 15% is nothing but 10% plus 5%. We have already found the value of 10%. So now we have to find the value of 5% of 666, which is nothing but 33.30. So 122.10 plus 11.10 plus 33.30 is 166.50. So 166.50 comes in place of the question mark in the given equation. What approximate value should come in place of the question mark? 39.012 multiplied by 14.98 minus 28.013 multiplied by 9.999 is equal to 20 plus question mark multiplied by 5.23. Here you are given 4 answer options. You have to find out which of the answer options is correct. So let x be the value of the question mark. Since approximate value has to be found out, first round off the decimals. So 39.012 is rounded off to 39. 14.98 is rounded off to 15. 28.013 is rounded off to 28. 9.999 is rounded off to 10. 5.23 is rounded off to 5. So now you have the expression 39 multiplied by 15 minus 28 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20 plus x multiplied by 5. Now use BODMAS to simplify. The order of operation has to be according to the BODMAS rule. So here the first order of operation is multiplication. So 39 multiplied by 15 is 585. 28 multiplied by 10 is 280. 20 plus x multiplied by 5 is 100 plus 5x. So now you have the equation 585 minus 280 is equal to 100 plus 5x. Now shift 100 to the left hand side. So now you will have 585 minus 280 minus 100 is equal to 5x. 585 minus 280 is 305. 305 minus 100 is 205. So 205 is equal to 5x. So x is equal to 205 divided by 5, which is 41. So 41 is the approximate value that should come in place of the question mark in the given equation. So the correct answer is option C, 41. What approximate value should come in place of the question mark? 39.99% of 2 by 5 plus 60.05% of 1 by 5 multiplied by 10 cubed plus question mark is equal to 1. Now here you are given 5 answer options and you have to find out which of the answer options is correct. So let x be the value of the question mark. Since approximate value has to be found out, round off the decimals first. Then use BODMAS to simplify. So 39.99 is rounded off to 40, 60.05 is rounded off to 60. So now you have the equation as 40% of 2 by 5 plus 60% of 1 by 5 multiplied by 10 cubed plus x is equal to 1. Now, the first order of operation is to solve whatever is given within the brackets here. So, 40% of 2 by 5 is 0.16. 60% of 1 by 5 is 0.12. 0.16 plus 0.12 is 0.28. The next order of operation is orders. So 10 cubed become 10 cubed is 1000. So 0.28 multiplied by 1000 plus x is equal to 1. The next order of operation is multiplication. So 0.28 multiplied by 1000 is 280. So now you have 280 plus x is equal to 1. Shift to 280 to the right hand side. So you'll have x is equal to 1 minus 280, which is nothing but minus 279. So x is equal to minus 279. So minus 279 is the approximate value that should come in place of the question mark in the given equation. So the correct answer is option D, minus 279. What approximate value should come in place of the question mark? 14.84% of 379.97 plus 35.35% of 420.02 minus 2 by 5 multiplied by 575.2 plus 9.8% of 2300.6 slash square root of 9.87 minus 5.78 is equal to how much? Now here you are given 5 answer options and you have to find out which of these answer options is correct. So let x be the value of the question mark. Since approximate value has to be found out, First round off the decimals. Then use BODMAS to simplify. So 14.84 is rounded off to 15. 379.97 is rounded off to 380. 35.35 is rounded off to 35. 420.02 is rounded off to 420. 9.8 is rounded off to 10. 2300.6 is rounded off to 2300. 9.87 is rounded off to 10. 5.78 is rounded off to 6. Replace the slash sign with the division sign. So now you have the equation as 15% of 380 plus 35% of 420 minus 2 by 5 multiplied by 575 plus 10% of 2300 divided by square root of 10 minus 6 is equal to x. So here the first order of operation is to solve whatever is given within the brackets, and among the brackets first solve whatever is given within the round brackets. So 15% of 380 is 57, 35% of 420 is 147, 2 by 5 multiplied by 575 is 230. 10% of 2300 is 230. 10 minus 6 is 4. So square root of 4. So now you have the equation as 57 plus 147 minus 230 plus 230 divided by root of 4 is equal to x. Now solve whatever is given within the curly brackets. So here minus 230 and plus 230 will cancel out. So 57 plus 147 is 205. Root of 4 is 2. So now you have 204 divided by 2 within the square brackets. Solve that. 204 divided by 2 is 102. So 102 is equal to x. So the value of x is 102, and 102 is the approximate value that should come in place of the question mark in the given equation. So the correct answer is option D, 102. Viewers, please go through this video till you are perfect with the concept of simplification and approximation. Please do watch our video on tips and tricks to solve simplification questions faster. If you have liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.